I'm a photographer. I go around photographing cool people in Melbourne. Can I take a quick photo of you?
If you would like.
Yes, what's your name?
Leah.
Leah, I'm Hua. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you. What do you want? I'm quite awkward.
You're quite awkward.
Yeah.
No, you don't need to do anything. You just stand there. I'll take a few shots.
Bloody be the day that I don't have any makeup on.
Well, that's how I like my photos. Natural.
Yeah.
And, you know, natural beauty, right? Right here, Leah. Perfect. Yeah, just casual. That's it. I'll show you. Come on.
Cool. Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You really popped out. See, look, looks like you do have a makeup on, right?